People are literally getting paid just to chat online, not to sell anything, not to recruit people, not even to show their face in some cases. And before you roll your eyes and think, this is another fake make money online promise, hear me out. There are actual platforms out there where people sign up to have conversations with other people, like sometimes for friendship, emotional support, casual conversation, language exchange, or companionship. And the platform pay chat hosts or companions for their time. Now, let me be clear from the beginning. This is not some magical overnight money method. Your experience, earnings, and opportunities will depend on the platform, your communication skills, your location, availability of clients, and whether the platform is actively accepting new users. But if you are someone who enjoys talking to people, replying to messages, building conversations, or simply being a good listener, then this might be one of the more interesting online side hustles you can look into. And in this video, I'm going to show you several platforms people use to make money through online chatting and virtual companionship, including beginner-friendly options that don't require a degree or previous work experience. Some are strictly friendly conversation platforms, some focus on emotional support, and yes, some platforms may contain adult-related categories, so always read the rules, requirements, and safety policies before signing up. Alright, let's get into it. The first platform is called Papa. This platform is more focused around companionship and support-based interaction. Depending on the type of users on the platform, people may look for someone to talk to regularly, check in with them, or simply have conversations throughout the week. Usually, platforms like this work by matching people based on interests, personality traits, or preferences listed on their profiles. So, when creating your profile, the way you present yourself actually matters a lot. For example, if you describe yourself as someone who enjoys motivational conversations, gaming, movies, fitness, or just being a good listener, the platform may connect you with users looking for those type of conversations. And something important a lot of people overlook on these platforms, communication skills matter more than sounding perfect. People want conversations that feel real. If someone feels heard, respected, and comfortable talking to you, they are more likely to leave positive reviews or continue chatting with you longer. Some platforms also allow tipping, meaning users can sometimes send extra money to chat hosts they enjoy talking to. The next one is called Rent a Friend. You're probably seen this one mentioned online before because it is one of the more widely talked about companionship platforms. The idea behind it is pretty simple. People create profiles offering virtual friendships or companionship, and users looking for someone to talk to can browse profiles and connect with people they relate to. A strong profile is extremely important here. Instead of writing something generic like, "Hi, I am friendly," it's better to actually show personality. Talk about your hobbies, talk about what kind of conversations you enjoy, talk about whether you're a good listener, love discussing books, businesses, relationships, movies, travels, or even daily life struggles. The more authentic your profile feels, the easier it becomes for the right people to connect with you. Now, again, disclaimer here, earnings are never guaranteed. Some creators online throw around unrealistic income numbers just to get clicks. Please don't fall for that. Some people may earn little, some may earn more over time after building strong ratings and repeat clients. It depends on consistency, communication quality, and demand on the platform. Now, the next platform is called Chat Recruit. This one is a bit different because it includes multiple categories of chat-based work. Some categories are regular conversations, some are support-based conversations, and some sessions may include adult-oriented chats. So, before signing up, make sure you carefully read what category you're applying for and choose only what you are personally comfortable with. That part is important. Never feel pressure to participate in anything that goes against your values or boundaries. One thing I actually like about platforms like this is that they usually allow people to choose categories that match their personality and comfort level. So, for example, someone who enjoys motivational conversations might focus on supportive chats. Someone else might prefer casual lifestyle conversations. And because reviews matters on many of these platforms, being respectable, Being respectful, patient, and consistent can help improve your visibility over time. Now, let's talk about 7 cups. This one is very different from the others because it focuses heavily on emotional support and listening. A lot of people today are dealing with stress, loneliness, anxiety, relationship problems, or simply needing someone to talk to. Platforms like this connect users with listeners or peer supporters for conversations. And honestly, if you're naturally patient and empathetic, this type of platform may feel more meaningful compared to random chatting sites. Some people are not even looking for long conversations. Sometimes they just want someone who listens without judging them. Now, obviously, this is not professional therapy unless specifically stated by the platform. So, it's important to understand the difference between being a supportive listener and pretending to be a licensed mental health professional if you are not one. Always follow platform rules carefully. The next one is called Rent a Cyber Friend. This platform works similarly to companionship type websites where people connect online for conversations and virtual friendships. One thing that attracts people to this platform is flexibility. In many cases, you can work from your phone, reply during your free time, and build conversations gradually throughout the day. For students, remote workers, stay-at-home parents, or anyone looking for flexible online side income opportunities, that flexibility can be appealing. But again, and I really want to stress this, this is not passive income. You are dealing with real people. That means communication matters. If you reply carelessly, disappear constantly, or sound robotic, people are less likely to continue conversations with you. The people using these platforms are usually looking for connection, conversation, or emotional engagement. So, if you decide to try this type of work, treat people respectfully. Now, another platform people talk about is Stockroom. This platform offers both app and browser based chatting, which can make things more convenient depending on how you prefer to work. Some people prefer chatting from their phones, others prefer typing from a laptop. Having both options makes it more flexible. And one thing I will say here is this: if you ever decide to create profiles on platforms like this, take your time setting them up properly. A weak profile with one sentence and no personality usually gets ignored. But a thoughtful profile that sounds human and relatable can make a huge difference. Use a clear photo if required. Write naturally. Be honest about your interests. And don't pretend to be someone you are not just to attract users. Now, before we continue, let me quickly say this because it's important. Please stay safe online. Never share sensitive personality info. Never share sensitive personal information with strangers. Be careful with off-platform communications. Read each other's policies carefully. Read each platform's policies carefully and avoid any platform that pressures you into suspicious payments or unrealistic earnings promises. If something feels shady, trust your instincts. Now, overall, can people really make money from chat based platforms? Yes, some people do, but like most online side hustles, results vary. This work better for people who are patient, good at conversations, emotionally intelligent, and consistent. So if you're expecting instant money after sending 2 messages, you probably end up disappointed. But if you approach it realistically and treat it professionally, it can become an interesting side income stream for the right person. And honestly, I think the biggest mistake people make with online opportunities is they hear about something online and immediately expect life-changing money overnight. That mindset is exactly what causes people to fall for fake gurus and exaggerated claims. Real online income usually takes consistency, patience, and learning how the platform actually works. So if you decide to explore any of these websites, go in with realistic expectation. Test things carefully, protect your privacy, focus on platforms that align with your comfort level, and most importantly, treat people like actual human beings because that's really what this type of work is built around. Now, I want to know something from you. Would you actually try a chat based online side hustle like this, or do you prefer other online income methods instead? Drop your thoughts in the comments below because I genuinely read them. And if you want more realistic make money online ideas without all the fake hype and exaggerated promises, make sure you subscribe because that's exactly what we talk about on this channel. Also, if this video helps you, don't forget to like it because it really helps this channel reach more people. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.